If you're wondering whether Cerebrella AI lives up to the hype, stay with me, because I'm about to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before using it. And I'll say this up front. This is one of the most promising AI tools I've seen released recently. You can actually try it completely free from the first link below, so don't miss that. Now here's why Cerebrella AI might just become your new favorite tool, and what you need to be aware of before diving in. Cerebrella isn't just another ChatGPT clone or AI writing tool. It's built as a modular thinking engine, which means instead of giving you generic answers, it simulates more strategic and layered thinking. You can create, connect, and reuse workflows in ways that feel like you're actually brainstorming with a trained analyst rather than a chatbot. The interface is deceptively simple. You enter a prompt, but you're not limited to one-shot answers. Cerebrella lets you chain outputs, create custom workflows, and build projects that evolve. Imagine building a full product launch strategy, email funnel, and content calendar inside one session, and being able to rerun or edit any step. One standout feature, the Knowledge Vault. You can train Cerebrella with your own data, upload PDFs, paste web content, or drop in company SOPs. It learns fast and starts responding with brand-specific suggestions. This is huge for marketers, consultants, and small teams who need contextual replies that sound like they come from your internal team. Cerebrella also integrates surprisingly well with tools like Notion, Zapier, and Google Drive. That means it's not just generating text, it's automating real tasks and syncing with your systems. A lot of AI tools promise this, but Cerebrella executes it with far more control and transparency. Now, let's talk speed. Cerebrella runs on its own proprietary engine combined with OpenAI's API, so it's fast, stable, and doesn't crash under load. I tested it with multi-step workflows that would choke most other tools. It held up without skipping a beat. The pricing is very competitive considering what you get, but what makes this exciting is you can test drive everything for free, no credit card required. Again, that link's right below. There is one thing to keep in mind. Since it's a brand new platform, you might encounter occasional bugs or unfinished features, but from what I've seen, the dev team is updating fast, and their roadmap is ambitious in all the right ways. Cerebrella AI is definitely worth your attention if you're serious about leveraging AI beyond surface-level copywriting. Whether you're building a SaaS, running an agency, or just tired of AI tools that feel half-baked, this is a fresh approach with depth. Try Cerebrella AI free below and let me know what you think. And if you want a list of the best AI tools I've personally tested after going through thousands, check the description. They're all free to try.